Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile training mode. To begin, open the game and navigate to the main lobby screen. Look for the small map icon located in the bottom right corner of your display, next to the Start button. Tapping this icon will reveal a menu of different game modes available. From here, select the training option to enter the dedicated practice area, where you can freely explore and hone your skills without pressure. Once inside the training mode, head to the weapon racks, where you will find an extensive selection of firearms. Try out an M416 with a 4x scope, or perhaps a 2x scope on a UMP45. Attachments like vertical grips and compensators are also readily available for you to experiment with. Practice shooting at targets ranging from 50 meters to 300 meters, ensuring you find a comfortable sensitivity for each weapon. Beyond weapons, you can also practice your driving skills with 4 different vehicle types available. Drive around the track and through obstacles to get a feel for their handling and speed. Additionally, visit the utility area to pick up grenades, smoke bombs, and stun grenades. Practice throwing them accurately over walls, through windows, or at designated spots to understand their precise effects and improve your tactical decision-making. To further refine your abilities, activate the moving target range and challenge your reaction time and tracking skills. Focus on maintaining a consistent crosshair placement while firing, especially when using automatic weapons. Spend at least 10 to 15 minutes each session practicing these drills. Regular engagement in training mode ensures you stay sharp and ready for any challenge in your next Battle Royale match.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.